Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I now invite our next speaker, Al-Rafiq Muydin, sir. He's the head of legal and chief general manager of MRPL and has an impressive legal career spanning 27 years. He's worked for many organizations like HUDCO and 𝗵𝗍𝗋 before joining his current assignment at MRPL under ONGC Group. His performance as a general counsel was recognized with several awards, like the prestigious award given by Legal 500 in 2017, 2019 and 2022, BW Legal World Award in 2022, etc. Last year, in the year 2023, his excellence was once again recognized, being selected to receive the Outstanding General Counsel Award by the 𝗔𝗍𝗿𝗀𝗹 2023. He has perfected the art of being a top-quality legal professional. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause, Al-Rafiq Muydin. Please welcome.
Heard Honorable Justice Ashok B. Hinjnagari, our Honorable Judge. Coming to the topic of today, this is supposed to be a legal awareness session for all of those who are caring about their living in a city like Bangalore. We all have come from different village backgrounds, or even the old Bangalore, where the life was so peaceful, life was in serenity. Today, we have our great city of Bangalore, famous for its traffic, chaotic living, and many more troubles across. I have experience of being a resident of an apartment, as also a member, a office bearer of an apartment association. So from both the angles, I could say there has been a lot of confusion among the residents, among the owners of the apartments and the associations. We have the confusion beginning from what association we have to form and how to manage a building. The builder has the expertise, but once the builder goes, we take over the maintenance of a massive building. It's not a simple building. It has thousands of people of varied character, varied jobs, different thoughts, and different backgrounds. The problem with the association and its office bearers is that we have to manage a big group of people. It involves a kind of HR job, people management. I would say in my tenure as an office bearer of the association committee, I felt that the maintenance job is fine, but it is more difficult to make people understand on each and every aspect of the maintenance. Many times we say the job in a committee of an apartment association is a thankless job. We work for no remuneration. We work to hear scoldings, hear complaints, and do service for the fellow residents in our apartment. And the apartment owners never understand us. As an apartment owner, I always find some shortcoming with the committee. Committee is not taking quick action. Committee is taking very hasty action. Committee is taking no action. Any of these complaints can come with any minute problems in the apartment. Again, as an apartment dweller, I feel that the entire problem mostly comes from the handing over. We are not getting a handing over properly from the builder. Many times there are tussles between the builder and developer, builder and landowner, and finally it percolates down to the apartment owners in some way or other. How does this come? And the builder simply leaves. He doesn't guide us, he doesn't hand over anything to us. And we have to fight amongst ourselves. One segment of the residents want a charitable society as the association committee. Another segment wants a cooperative society as the association for the management of the apartments. And a legally understood person would say that it has to be an apartment owners association which has to be formed as per the law. Then you will find 3 committees parallelly working for the maintenance of the same apartment. All these roots from confusion regarding the understanding of the law. Law is a vast subject, no doubt. As our judge was mentioning, there is a lot of things to learn in law. At the age of 89, he was trying to disseminate the information on artificial intelligence and its interaction with law. Law has been developing, it is always dynamic, and the recent amendment which has come up and the government's intervention has set right the thought about the management of the association, apartments. It has been now settled, very well settled, that apartment owners association has to be formed for any apartment, for the maintenance of that apartment. Then only a proper handover, then only a proper maintenance, then only the authorities for the association to collect maintenance charges, all this can happen. According to me, I would also, at this juncture, I would also thank Ms. 𝗵𝗍 Pillai, learned advocate, who has handled a variety of cases on this subject and tried to get a clarity on the subject. Who has to maintain, whether it is a cooperative society or a charitable society or a apartment owners association as per the Act. So her services to this particular segment of law has to be reckoned as a very valuable and precious service. And I would also say that in spite of her busy schedules, busy meetings and busy court hearings, she has been able to convene this kind of a legal awareness session for the benefit of all apartment dwellers and the public. This has been a commendable effort on her side, which she has repeated this year. Last year we had seen a very thought-provoking session, and she was able to deliver as we expected. And this year again, she has come up with this. This session, I am very sure that with the honorable dignitaries who are going to arrive on the dais, who are going to speak to you, further from Justice Hinjinagiri and our learned judge, are going to make you enrich with knowledge on the subject. And further to that, Ms. Advocate Beena Pillai would be giving a very good lecture on the subject, on the core of the subject. I am here to express my thanks for inviting me to this and giving me an opportunity to share my thoughts on this with all of you. Thank you to all the organization. Thank you all.
Muydin, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Give him a big round of applause.